Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way, lesson 11b, in which we will practice the starting part of Surah Al-Kafiron. What is Tajweed? To recite the Quran nicely. How? By taking care of makharij and sifat of letters and other rules of recitation. Qawaid. Let's take Tajweed tip number 12. To recite in a good voice, understanding is very much necessary. For example, if you want to recite or if you want to say, I hate shaitan, you cannot say, I hate shaitan. No, you cannot say that. Will you appreciate such a recitation? No. So plan to learn Arabic through, for example, our course, Understand Al-Qur'an the easy way. Let us start Surah Al-Kafirun. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. قُلْ يَا أَيُّهَا الْكَافِرُونَ. قُلْ. It's not khul, it is not kul, it is qul. Repeat 3 times. قُلْ. 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 Ya ayyuha. Ya is, there is mad there and you can see the wave there, so you can stretch 2 times or more. We will focus on 2 times here. Ya. And ayyuha, a should be very clear. Ayyu. Okay, so repeat after me. Ya ayyu. Ya ayyu. Ya ayyu. Ya ayyu. And hal kafirun. Don't say ya ayyuhal kafirun. Ya ayyuhal kafirun. Ha should be very clear. Hal. Ya ayyuhal. Ya ayyuhal. Okay. Kafirun. There is no problem here in general. Ka. There is mad there. Kafirun. That's very simple. So repeat after me. Ya ayyuhal kafirun. Ya ayyuhal kafirun. Let's take the verse. قُلْ يَا أَيُّهَا الْكَافِرُونَ. قُلْ يَا أَيُّهَا الْكَافِرُونَ. لَا أَعْبُدُ مَا تَعْبُدُونَ. La, there is mad there. A. So these two have to be very clear. It is not a. Ayn should be clear. Hamza should be clear. So repeat after me 3 times. A. 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 So let us take 2 words. La a'budu. La a'budu. Ma ta'budun. Repeat. Ma ta'budun. Ta. If your ayn is not clear, practice this part, this syllable separately. Ta. Repeat 3 times. Ta. 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 In the beginning, exaggeration may be there, but when you recite, the exaggeration should not come. So repeat after me. La a'budu ma ta'budun. La a'budu ma ta'budun. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.